Whoa, holy shit. Check it out, guys. Let's GetAmped France. It's back, baby. Hello, everyone. It's Laurie Moon here. GetAmped2 Evolution. This is a new server of GetAmped2, which is, I guess, privately run by a guy called Zans that I know. He's been working on this for a long time. It was originally called GetAmped2 France. It was going to be a new GetAmped2 France because GetAmped2 France shut down. So this was going to be operated separately. However, with the closure of GetAmped2 US, the name has changed and things are going to be done a little bit differently. Now, the reason why I'm really excited about this game, I think it's going to be multilingual. They encourage people from all countries to come and play this game. It's not owned by a company, so there's no like monetary incentive. I am hoping that when this game goes live, GMs will do fun events. They'll give you opportunities to get Crescent and things quite easily, quite readily. Zans has given me this account to try out. Scythe is its name. Pretty cool name. And I was just amazed looking at the accessories. I was just like, wow, look at all these accessories that it has. Like, I don't know what this sword is. I don't know what that spear is. Has it got like all of the classes? Check this out, guys. Look at that. That's insane. That's fucked. But it's a private server, so, and this is like the test account. The game hasn't gone live yet. But here I am, I can fool around and it's quite a low rank. One thing that really confused me was that there were all of these friends added. So I think this might be the ghost of GetAmped2 France. This might be GetAmped2 France. But now it's been remodeled, sort of. Look, here's the #1 player. Red Brew. I don't know, yeah. And it looks like it used to be GetAmped2 France, because like there's lots of people with French sounding names and bios and stuff. But now it's all in Japanese. This is Scythe no Heya, Scythe's room. But I don't know, let's go and have a little walk around. I think GAT Stadium is currently closed. But I'm quite interested to see if anything's been done to let the Prime market. Okay, so it's when this accessory was released. Yeah, I don't know. I think the best thing about this server is I don't think buying Crescent will be an option. I'm not sure. But because it's run by players, fans of the game, I think it's going to be a bit smoother, a bit more fun. What the GMs will do. They'll give you opportunities to get accessories and Crescent and stuff by just playing the game. Which is kind of like what Taiwan does, except this server will be more of a focus on English-speaking players and French and Brazilian, not the Asian contingent of Taiwan and China and I don't know, Japan and stuff. I've got all that Crescent. I should do a draw. Let's do it. Oh my god. He's got everything. He's got everything from the Mega. Do I have any of the stuff? I don't know. ×5, 2,000 Cres. Here we go. Let's party. Black. And a black. And a black. And a black. And a green. That's actually a really good green as well. That's awesome. Can I equip that? He's got a lot of really good accessories. It's like everything for the Mega Draw. There it is. I think that's what I just got. Agile Flutter. It's cool. This is so foreign to me. So bizarre that it's just like, here's all the Crescent, here's everything. Here I am playing it. Accessory Showcase, guys. I could do it a million with the access that I have on this server. Skin market. Oh, I agree. There's nothing in the skin market. Can I put up a skin? I guess I could put one on mine. Oh! Okay! I've put up the skin, it seems. That's the one. There it is. Hikari was the creator of the skin. Why was I able to upload the skin? He's not the Scythe's not the maker. Hikari is. Omoshiroi kata. Omoshiroi kata. Okay. Dagger. Dagger's online. I'm Scythe. Dagger, Scythe, and Axe. That's cute. GM dagger. Am I a GM? I don't know. Okay, let's check out some other stuff. Like, the Prime Market seems like it's functional. Guild room. Am I in a guild? I am. I think it was called Immortals. Let's look at the guild room. Okay, it's been upgraded a little bit. There's some people in it. This is... What is this? I'm so confused. I guess I could talk to Zans right now. You can 1v1 me. Just wait. 10 minutes. I'm eating, he says. Okay. Oh! No BB. No BB is interesting. These are the top players. Only 10 mil at the top. But I'm pretty sure this was GetAmped2 France. This is what it was. There can't be this many players on a private... Yock's there. Can't be... I'm so confused. Oh! Kyoya! Is that Maniac? Is that you, Maniac? I don't know. Very interesting. Okay, let's go and find my friends. Who I don't know who they are. Oh, hi Dagger. Hi Dagger. Never played with like French PD. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's all I know. I don't know. Très bien. Bon vins. Bon vins. I don't know. Oh no. I don't know. Oh, he's asking who I am. Glory Moon. Oh, cool, guys. Look. The Laboratory and Monopoly maps will be available on this server. They were like the most newest ones in Taiwan, I believe. I don't think they were released in any other server. Oh, Axe is here. Oh! Oh my god! This is the accessory that I wanted. Like, this was the last accessory that I wanted before I, like, quit. Stop playing. So I'd love to try this one out, sure. It's really cool. It reminds me of your Asakura from, Shaman King. Oh! I don't know what map we're doing. I'm interested to see what the lag is like, keeping in mind that I am from Japan. I'm in Japan. Apparently the game is not made from the old GetAmped2 France. So I've asked Zans. There he is, with GM. That's cool. This is an old database which I retrieved accounts to be able to play, but I no longer need it, he says. An old database. Bizarre. You keen? I know this guy. Okay, me and Zans are having a 1v1. Oh, this is the map for 1v1. Okay, this will be interesting. I've never used this accessory before. Shit. He is the GM as well. He's probably quite good. Oh, look at the lag. Just a little bit of lag, but I guess for me, yeah, being in Japan. Whoa! It's not super bad, this lag. Like, I'm winning. But like, yeah, you can just see the frame rate. It's just like, blop, 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 like teleporting slightly. This could be really annoying in a like super competitive match. Yeah, like it's fine. Like the hits are connecting exactly as I'm expecting them to and everything. I don't know about this lag. I wonder if on his screen I'm just teleporting everywhere as well. Oh, oh, oh! Nice, I like this accessory. Wish I was able to get this. A little. So I asked him, are you able to like, what will you like give players present and accessories? Will you have events and stuff? Can you turn into an NPC monster? He's like, I can, but in this version of the server, nothing can be changed. Like, this is what it is. But in the real server, he will be able to do that sort of stuff. He'll be able to change. He can add my accessories. My accessories. You've made accessories. That's why I've taken 3 years. Ho ho ho! He's made custom new accessories. Whoa! That changes everything. Wow, so he can make new 3D models and put it into the game's code. Holy shit. The potential for this accessory is really quite strong. Mod all of the game, by the way. Shit. This is exciting. We've remaked all of the source code of the game, so we can recompile it. Wow! And create modes or NPCs or textures. Jesus. Shit. The potential for this game is massive. And that is where this video abruptly ends. I didn't record anything more. But yeah, very interesting. GetAmped2 France, GetAmped2 Evolution, I'm not sure what it's called. There will be a link to the Discord in the video description. It'll also be in the comments, it'll be the pinned comment. I'm very interested to see what the development of this game is going to be like. Obviously what you've seen in this video, what was available in the shop and just various things, is not going to be what it's going to be when the game's officially launched. There's going to be opportunities to get Crescent, I think, different accessories available right off the bat. I really don't know, so join the Discord, keep updated on what's going on, and I'm there, I'm the community manager, so yeah, I might see you there. Once again, thank you for watching. GetAmped2's not dead. See you for another video, I guess. Alright, bye.